Hi, it's Amanda the Nail Polish Hound, and today I'm going to be showing you a version of layered milk bath nails. If, like me, you like the idea of milk bath nails, but you don't like them when they get all clumpy and thick, or you don't have access to acrylics, then here's an idea of how you could do them. Start with a layer of white nail polish. It doesn't have to be perfect, because this is just going to serve as the base for the rest of your nail art. Let this layer dry completely. I used flower nail art stickers for this particular manicure, but you could also use decals. You want them in two different sizes, as I want to give the illusion that some of the flowers are lower down in the milk bath than the others. Apply a thin coat of sticky base coat to your nails, and this will help the nail stickers or decals to stick without sticking up around the edges. Apply some of the smaller flowers to your nails first, making sure that you leave enough space for the larger ones later on. I then use this non-smudge top coat, which I find is nice and thin, but also helps to keep the nail stickers in place without melting them. Then add your first coat of the sheer nail polish. I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Blast in the shade 2% Milk, but I found that it was a little bit too sheer for this manicure, so I have added about 6 drops of white and mixed it in. Let that coat dry completely before we repeat the process, adding another layer of the sticky base coat and then another layer of flowers, but this time the bigger ones. This helps to add to the illusion that these are closer to the surface of the milk than the ones you've already added. And then when you add the second layer of the sheer polish, this will add to this illusion, as the first layer of flowers will appear more opaque than the second layer. After applying this second layer of flowers, I used some cuticle clippers to cut off any excess stickers around the edge of the nail. Then I applied another thin layer of the no smudge top coat before adding the next layer of the sheer polish. So then we add the next layer of the sheer polish. In hindsight, I think I could have done a slightly thicker layer with the first layer, but I still think that the effect is quite pretty. Apply one final layer of the top coat and the manicure is finished. So I hope you've enjoyed this version of the milk bath nail trend, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.